Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT for customer service automation. ChatGPT can be a powerful tool for automating customer service tasks, enhancing efficiency and improving customer satisfaction. So here's how you can leverage it. So basically you will just train your ChatGPT feed with your company knowledge based questions. Example like if you have an online store, then understand that the customer has purchased an item from your online store, but he will receive a damaged item. So he will have a queries like example I will just write it. If the item received is damaged, defective, incorrect or incomplete, a refund will be issued based on DRA's assessment. So if I just before on the top I will just write it, write response on this, act like customer support. So I will just tab on it and let's see the answer. Thank you for reaching out. If the item you received is damaged, defective, incorrect or incomplete, don't worry, we are here to help. Follow these steps. Report the issue, log into your DRAS account and file a complaint within the return policy period. Second, provide details. Upload a clear photos, videos of the item and describe the issue. Third, assessment. Our team will review your request and the evidence provided. So resolution, if the claim is valid, you will be eligible for a refund or replacement as per policy. So further assistance, feel free to contact our support team. We are committed to ensuring your satisfaction. So in this way you can use ChatGPT for customer service automation easily. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.